హాయ్ గైస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ టీవీ ఎన్ఎక్స్టీ. సో ఈరోజు నేను ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్తో మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసానండి. ఎవరు అని అంటే, ఈరోజు ఇంటర్వ్యూ మొత్తం ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ హిందీలోనే ఉండబోతుంది. ఈరోజు తెలుగు ఎక్కడా ఉండదు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. నేనే కొంచెం బేసిక్గా అడుగుతాను. అండ్ ఒక అందమైన హీరోయిన్ అండి, ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే మన టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి పరిచయం అవబోతున్నారు. ఆ హీరోయిన్ ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా ఒక మూవీ కూడా సైన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఆ మూవీ విశేషాలు ఏంటో, ఆవిడకి ప్యాషన్ ఎందుకు ఉంది ఆర్టిస్ట్గా అనేది మనం వారి మాటల్లోనే తెలుసుకుందాం. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ గైస్. హాయ్ అదితి.
Hello.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I am good. How are you?
యా, ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. సో అదితి, మిమ్మల్ని యాడీ అని కూడా పిలవచ్చా?
Yeah, Addy, you can call me.
సో आपका ये निकनेम है ना?
हाँ.
ओके. सो आप इतना क्यूट क्यों हो? आपका स्किन टोन और आप एकदम डॉल के जैसे लग रही हो.
Thank you so much. You are also very pretty.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అంటే టిట్ ఫర్ టాటా?
Not like that, but actually you are beautiful. Cute.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో మీ హెయిర్ కలర్ కూడా నాకు నచ్చింది, చాలా బాగుంది. మీ హెయిర్ కానీ మీ డ్రెస్సింగ్ కానీ చాలా క్యూట్ ఉన్నారు. సో బేసికలీ యూఆర్ ఫ్రమ్?
I'm from UK. I mean Uttarakhand. You heard this place?
యా.
It's very beautiful place. Originally I'm from there, but
Okay.
I'm living Hyderabad and Mumbai.
రైట్.
Yeah.
సో మీ అంటే లైక్ ఉత్తరాఖండ్లో ఉంటారు.
Yeah.
సో ఇప్పుడు హైదరాబాద్కి ఎలా వచ్చారు మీరు?
Actually, I always wanted to be here because I like South industry and I love South movies more than Bollywood. I like South industry basically.
ఓకే.
Yeah, but I just recently started my career from South. And
Okay.
before that, 2 years back, I shifted in Mumbai.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో మీ అంటే మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరైనా సన్నీ లియోని లాగా ఉన్నారని ఎవరైనా మీకు కమెంట్ చేశారా?
Big compliment for me because Sunny Leone
రియల్లీ
is my
మీరు
favorite.
వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను, ఎక్కడో కొన్ని మీ ఫీచర్స్ అంటే లైక్ ఆ లిప్స్ కానీ ఆ ఐస్ కానీ నోస్ కానీ కొంచెం ఎక్కడో సన్నీ
Thanks a
లియోన్,
lot.
జూనియర్ సన్నీ లియోన్ లా ఉన్నారు మీరు యాక్చువల్లీ చూడడానికి. మీకు ఎవరైనా అలా చెప్పారా కమెంట్?
You can call me Telugu Sunny Leone.
వావ్, దట్స్ గ్రేట్.
Yeah.
సో మా తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో కూడా ఒక జూనియర్ సన్నీ లియోన్ వచ్చారండి. సో
Thanks
హార్డీ
for
వెల్కమ్.
Some Hindi.
ओके. आप आर्टिस्ट करियर कैसे स्टार्ट किया है, आप बता सकते हैं?
How did I start it?
हाँ.
Recently I said I before 2 years back I shifted in Mumbai and then वहाँ से I took my 6-month acting classes from Asrani Studio.
ओके, आपने एक्टिंग क्लासेस
Yeah,
भी अटेंड
yeah.
किया है? ओके.
So actually in acting line में आना it is my dream from my childhood.
Okay.
But yeah, I start late because there were so many responsibilities of my family or so many things.
Okay.
So इसलिए ऐसे कोई काम नहीं कर पाए. Then मतलब finally my mom said before 2 years back कि now you go and just fulfill your dream and work
Okay.
for your dream, fight for your dream. Then I shifted to Mumbai and after 6 months when I completed my acting classes,
Okay.
so somehow I made instant connection, can say I got call from here कि
Okay.
Aditi आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो हैदराबाद. I said I'm crazy for work actually.
Okay.
I'm very desperate for work. So I said okay. तो मैं यहाँ पे आई and it was 18 hours journey. I'm sorry. बस से मैं आई थी फर्स्ट टाइम पे. तो
Okay.
देन यहाँ पे कुछ थोड़ा फोटोशूट था और सम मीटिंग्स थे, कोऑर्डिनेटर फिक्स किए. So
Okay.
then I met South people and I observed, I noticed so many things. I like South people and
Okay.
I love South
So
industry.
directly you have stepped into Tollywood industry, or before that have you done any other languages?
Yeah, I did. I can say I did so many songs. I mean in Punjabi songs, 10-12 Punjabi songs and 2-3 Hindi songs. And just
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So do you have siblings?
Here
Uh-huh.
no, okay, yes.
So where did you complete your school, graduation or schooling? What is your profession?
Okay, I did completed my schooling from my village जहाँ पे people don't know English, बहुत बड़ी बात है. They don't know even Hindi.
Okay.
They know their particular language, Gadwali language.
Okay.
So I'm from there.
Hmm.
And then I completed my 12th class from there only.
Okay.
Then I started my graduation and post graduation I did by HNB Gadwali
Okay.
University. So after 12th come मेरी study, I did everything by my own.
Okay.
Everything. I did my classes, computer classes, accounts management I learned.
Okay.
And pharma, I mean medical line I learned. So I
Okay.
did jobs in so many sectors.
सो इतने सारे आपको पता है, तो आप एक्टिंग प्रोफेशन में आपको कैसा मतलब पैशन था, या कोई encourage किया फैमिली सपोर्ट की वजह से, मतलब फैमिली वाले ने सजेस्ट किया है
No,
आपको
मुझे पहले
आर्टिस्ट?
पहले से ही मेरा सपना था एंड
Hmm.
फ्रॉम माय चाइल्डहुड
Okay.
एंड आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फैशन डिज़ाइनर
Okay.
आई गेव 2-3 एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स फॉर फैशन डिज़ाइनर एंड
Hmm.
in whole Uttarakhand, in whole state, I selected for government college.
Okay.
But there were some circumstances, can say, I financially problem, you know.
Okay.
So I didn't do. I
Okay.
stopped and then okay, fine.
ओके सो पंजाबी में आप कोई मूवीज नहीं किया है पहले?
No, I am trying. And before Corona, I selected for one movie, but then Corona came and everything.
गॉड
Yeah,
क्रस्ट.
crushed.
ओके सो यहाँ पर आप मैंने सुना था कि आपको टॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में एक मूवी का अपॉर्चुनिटी आया था,
जी।
तो आपको कैसा आया था ये अपॉर्चुनिटी?
This opportunity, I don't know the name of that coordinator.
Okay.
So he gave me lot of contact and I sent my profile to 20-25 people. I sent. I met with so many people. I went for audition and then suddenly I met the producer name is Vasu Garu. I think, I'm sorry if I'm taking wrong name.
Okay.
And the director of Srinivas Reddy. So I met those guys and they are really very good. I feel
Okay.
like when I'm talking with them, I feel like I'm talking with my family member.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before this movie you have signed, have you done any movies in Tollywood? Like you were saying that you have done a small role in so and so movie. I don't know
Yeah.
that name. I don't remember.
Yeah, the movie name is Upcoming 24 Hours.
Okay.
And actor is in that movie Satyadev.
Okay.
And that actress name I don't remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Direct-
that's how you have
Yeah.
grabbed your contacts and all.
Contacts, yes.
In that, how did you get that opportunity? Like you were into Punjab industry, right?
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
how did you get that opportunity?
I was
Like-
in Mumbai and I was continuously contacting with the coordinators and all. तो एक दो coordinators हैं जो मुंबई से यहाँ पे भी आते हैं, तो they
Okay.
called me, they said will you come for this audition and this, because
Okay.
it is difficult to come from Mumbai to here only for audition.
Okay.
But I like South industry and I thought I should try. Aditi, just let's go.
जितना भी
हाँ,
मुश्किल हो
हो लो 18 घंटे का जर्नी था, बस
Okay.
में था एंड
Did they pay you any accommodation or
at that time, no, one of my friend, his name is Ankit, so he supported me because his brother and bhabhi,
Okay.
they are living here, so I was with them 3-4 days and then I went back.
so अभी आप उत्तराखंड से यहाँ पर स्टे कर रहे हो
हाँ,
permanently?
permanently I shifted here.
Okay. So only you have shifted or along with parents?
No, me alone.
ओके सो आपने कहा था कि 10th क्लास से आप अर्निंग स्टार्ट किया है,
Yeah.
तो ये आप स्टोरी बताइए
Okay.
हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए.
जी मैं मतलब मेरे को बचपन से, बट आई वांट टू लर्न ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, नॉट इन ओनली वन इंडस्ट्री. या माय मॉम ऑलवेज सेड कि जस्ट फोकस ऑन only one way, just, but I want to learn everything.
Okay.
In my childhood also I did that designing, home decoration, and that kapde silna, stitching karna. I
Stitching.
know how to stitch, I know
Embroidering.
blouse and suit, yeah. I
Oh.
learned. And then I learned designings also, like जैसे plain कपड़ा होता है, I can design that कपड़ा very well with
Okay.
flowers and with that धागा throat and all.
Okay.
And then
सलून.
yeah, then I start my salon, I mean fashion, and fashion का मुझे हमेशा से शौक था, तो
ओके तो
even-
आपको कोई सपोर्ट किया है या
नहीं, मैंने सब कुछ खुद से किया. माई मॉम, शी ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड मी एंड शी इज स्टिल डूइंग, सो या शी वाज विद मी इन एवरी वे.
योर मॉम इज वर्किंग?
No, now
She's
she
a
is not working.
housewife.
Yeah, she is housewife.
सो यू आर द वन हु इज अर्निंग इन योर
Yeah,
होम राइट
my
नाउ?
mom का, हाँ, उनका एक छोटा सा ब्यूटिशियन का दुकान था, कॉस्मेटिक सामान गांव में, जैसे
अच्छा अच्छा.
तो वहाँ पे पर डे की सेल होती थी 50 रुपीज़ 100 रुपीज़ ओनली दैट
Okay.
टाइम. एंड आई सर्वाइव्ड.
So you have मतलब आपने बहुत सारे struggles देखा है.
मैंने पार्लर का, सैलून का काम सीखा एंड देन आई
खुद
गॉट.
से?
हाँ, खुद से. आई डोंट
मतलब हाउ आपको कैसा वो थ्रेडिंग, मतलब
यू
थ्रेड
नो दैट,
पकड़ना
या
वो सब?
यूट्यूब पे आई सॉ एंड समहाउ.
लेकिन YouTube तो आपने बचपन में YouTube
YouTube
उतना
मिले.
ये नहीं था ना?
वन डे आई वेंट टू पार्लर, आई वेंट फॉर मार्केट, घर का सामान राशन लेने के लिए, एंड माई कजिन सिस्टर कैन से आई वेंट विद हर.
Okay.
सो वो उसने थ्रेडिंग वो बना रही थी, तो शी, दैट गर्ल, शी started, then I was watching her, and then I thought at that time I will try, and then I tried, and now I can make better than, मतलब nobody can like me.
Okay, so your enthusiasm and your zeal
Yeah.
make you do everything, right?
Everything, yeah.
Without anyone's support and help,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So अभी भी आप कर सकते हो सलून या जो
Yeah,
जो आपने बचपन में सीखा है,
हाँ.
खुद में खुद अभी भी आप कर सकते हो.
my family member, they always proud of me because they know कि Addy कहीं पे भी she can survive.
Okay.
They don't care about me because they know कि she can survive.
Okay.
बुरी से बुरी सिचुएशन में भी और अच्छे से अच्छे सिचुएशन में भी.
Okay, so
Yeah.
आप फाइनली बहुत वर्कहॉलिक हो आप.
Yeah.
And you are multitasker, right?
बिकॉज देन फिर फैमिली में फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम थी. आफ्टर 12th मैं अपनी पढ़ाई में कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ
Okay.
मनी. देन मैंने एक बहुत टफ डिसीजन आई टोक एंड आई टोल्ड टू माई फैमिली कि आई वॉन्ट फॉर कंप्यूटर कोर्सेज ओनली
Okay.
फॉर 3 months. And I fight with them. They said okay, only for 3 months we are sending you. Then
Okay.
after 3 months you have to come back. I said okay.
Okay.
But मेरे माइंड में था मुझे बाहर निकलना है किसी भी हालत में गांव से. So मैं 7,000 I remember still 7,000 my family they gave me 7,000. They said you have to survive 7,000 में 3 months and then you have to come back. I said
Okay.
okay. And then I start my career. I did 3-month computer coaching classes and then there I did start job. My first job was counseling field.
Okay.
Yeah, and then counseling field से I got 1,200 rupees salary at that time.
Okay.
And then I request to them कि please I want to learn accounts management classes, so I need help. They said okay, you can job here and you can start your accounts classes.
Okay.
Then 1 year का मैंने accounts management का कोर्स किया.
Okay.
And साथ साथ वहाँ पे जॉब भी किया.
Okay.
Then फिर 1 साल के बाद I gave interviews and then I got opportunity in
Okay.
retail sector. Then I did 6 month job मैंने किया acting accounts management में as a accountant. And then again फिर मुझे भागने का बहुत शौक था. I always runs.
Okay.
अच्छा यहाँ नहीं, अब next step. Then I gave interview for retail sector, so I'm selected for buying manager.
Okay.
So then I start my career there also. Then after 6 and 1 year I stopped there also and in finance office. But
lot of responsibilities on your head. बचपन से ही बहुत सारे
बहुत
responsibilities
सारे.
आपने ये किया है.
Yeah.
और आपको लाइफ मतलब कौन से सिचुएशन में लाइफ को आप हैंडल करना
Handle,
सब सीख
yeah.
लिया है बचपन में से ही.
there was a time when situation came like my mom को health का कुछ issue था, उनका operation होना था.
Okay.
And I didn't have much money, so I start 2 jobs. Then I started 3 jobs in
Okay.
24 hours. I slept only 1.5 hours and 4:30 to 5:30 only.
Okay.
And then I had to wake up because I need to go again classes and again पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मैंने अपने कोर्सेज भी कंप्लीट किए. मैंने 2-2 3-3 जॉब भी कंप्लीट किए. मैंने अपने
Oh.
एग्ज़ाम्स भी दिए. मैंने लॉ के एग्ज़ाम्स भी दिया. मुझे लॉ बहुत पसंद था. मैं
Okay.
वहाँ पे भी सिलेक्ट हुई हूँ बट अगेन द फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.
सो बट नाउ मतलब आई कैन से दिस थिंग कि अभी आई इन उतने छोटे से एरिया में आई गॉट 60,000 रुपीज़ सैलरी नाउ
Oh, wow.
इफ़ आई विल स्टार्ट माई जॉब. So I have a lot of experience. I can survive anywhere.
Anyway,
Yeah.
that's
Anyway.
great thing
Yeah.
about you. And one more thing I would like to tell you, like you know only Hindi and
Actually, before
Telugu language.
bef-
So you are stepping into Tollywood industry.
Tollywood.
So do you think you can survive without learning Telugu language?
yeah, when I was 16-year-old, at that time I know only one language, that is Garhwali.
Okay.
My original language from there, Uttarakhandi.
Okay.
Pahadi language.
Pahadi.
I even didn't know how to speak in Hindi. I was
Okay.
very worried and बहुत डरी हुई सी और सहमी हुई सी. I don't know how to talk with people.
Okay.
मुझे बहुत डर लगता था. मैं अपने 3 month का कंप्यूटर का एडमिशन करवाने के लिए आई वॉज लाइक शिवरिंग कि मैं
Okay.
कैसे करूँ. तो आई डोंट नो हाउ, मतलब डिडंट नो एट दैट टाइम कि हाउ टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. देन मैंने पढ़ा पूरी रात भर मैं पढ़ती
हिंदी
रही या
language
मिरर
के
के
लिए.
सामने कि स्टार्ट किया हिंदी लैंग्वेज सीखना एंड टुडे आई एम हियर. देन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इंग्लिश.
Okay.
So
So
तो आई नो दिस इज
कहा-
माई कॉन्फिडेंस कि आई नो आई विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग तेलुगु एंड आई नो आई विल.
दैट्स वेरी
Yeah.
ग्रेट। एंड आपने कहा था कि आप अब जो स्कूलिंग किया था वो बहुत मतलब
हाँ,
गांव में हुआ था,
गाँव में।
वहाँ पर जहाँ पर इंग्लिश भी नहीं आएगा
नहीं
लोगों
आएगा।
को। तो आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखा है?
द सेम स्कूल से ही मुझे ग्रामर्स की वो 20-25 रुपीज़ की वो बुक्स आती है, तो वो एवरी टाइम मैं कैरी करके चलती थी, पढ़ना 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 पढ़ना,
Okay.
ये मीनिंग्स पढ़ना। कहीं पे भी अगर गई मार्केट में कोई बोर्ड दिखा, वहाँ पे कुछ इंग्लिश का वर्ड है,
Okay.
तो वो देखना वट इज़ इसका मीनिंग क्या है। तो मुझे धीरे धीरे वो सारी चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व कर करके
That's how you learned English, but not in a very what we call कोई बड़ा इंग्लिश वाला कॉलेज में
No, no,
स्कूल में आपने
never,
नहीं
no,
सीखा।
नहीं।
लेकिन आप में तो जो विल पावर है दैट्स वेरी अप्रिशिएटेड।
थैंक यू सो मच,
हाँ,
थैंक यू सो मच।
और आप ये बताइए वार मूवी के बारे में बताइए, मतलब आपने साइन किया है और ये शूट कब स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
They will start by after 25.
Okay.
And अभी
Of this month,
Yeah,
March.
of this month can say.
Okay.
Of this month, and maybe after 25 or maybe next month can say.
Okay. So what kind of role you're going to play? Do you have any idea about that?
Yeah, there is two roles. One is police inspector, and the
Okay.
second.
You're playing that?
Yeah, there is two role where I'm
Okay.
selected, so
Oh.
they will tell me कि
अच्छा,
which role
not yet
suit on you.
confirmed.
Yeah, not yet confirmed. And the second role is negative जो hero है,
Hmm.
उसकी girlfriend का, and she is
Okay.
like foreigner. So
Okay, it suits
yeah,
you.
they are saying कि both role are suits on you. So we'll tell if we'll get better girl police का role, तो then we'll give you negative वाला role. I said
Negative.
okay fine.
Okay.
And if we will not get, then we'll give you police वाला role. I said okay fine.
Okay.
So they will tell me.
So आप क्या सोच रहे हैं, आपको कौन सा रोल चाहिए? मतलब आपके माइंड में जो रहेगा ना पुलिस, और what is your opinion on that?
My opinion is मुझे एडवेंचर बहुत पसंद है, स्टार्टिंग से ही बहुत पसंद था।
Okay.
और लाइक मुझे आई कैन राइड बाइक, आई कैन ड्राइव, मुझे हॉर्स राइडिंग सीखनी है, अभी माइंड में है। आई कैन स्विम, एडवेंचर्स जितने भी हैं सारे मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो आई विल गो फॉर
Police.
या बट देन अगेन दैट नेगेटिव रोल का जो लड़की है,
Yeah.
शी लुक्स मतलब शी वेयर समटाइम्स शी वेयर बुरखा,
Okay.
ओके, बट समटाइम्स शी रिमूव हर बुरखा एंड अंदर से मैंने साड़ी पहना है, सेक्सी
Okay.
बिल्कुल रेड कलर का।
Okay.
सो आई विल बी ओपन दैट बुरखा एंड देन आई विल कम मेरे रियल रोल में।
Okay.
तो अब लेट्स सी, आई लाइक दैट रोल आल्सो, इट इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग, क्वाइट
ओके,
इंटरेस्टिंग।
सो आपको दो भी रोल्स पसंद है, लेकिन कंपेयर टू दिस यू लाइक पुलिस वाला रोल।
आई लाइक पुलिस वाला रोल।
ऑलराइट। एंड सो एडी, सो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में पता चलते फैमिली मेंबर्स बहुत सारे रिजेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि स्ट्रगल्स रहेंगे या चैलेंजेस
Challenges, yeah.
और जो कमिटमेंट्स, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? मतलब आप कभी ये फेस किया है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, जो भी पंजाबी या साउथ इंडस्ट्री या बॉलीवुड एनीथिंग?
पहले तो मैं आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम माई फैमिली। मेरा as I told you, my mom, she always supported me. My whole family, they knows that I'm trying for film industry, but they knows this thing also, that I'm fully self independent. They know I can't do anything wrong thing for work. They know how I maintain up tak till now my dignity, my reputation, and then they know ki how I will maintain. So they are fully, they can trust on me. They
have lot of trust
they
on you
said
that you will never go wrong.
our blessings with you. You go and just fight for your dream and then go.
So you have lot of support, family support.
Family support I have.
Okay.
So because I made it actually,
Okay.
I made it happen. And the second thing, I came across with these things because of course I faced so many things, not only from film industry, in every industry actually.
Exactly.
So many people like that.
Some people don't highlight it actually.
Some people don't highlight it. Even it happened with me also. 4-5 times I got big opportunity with big banner and with big director, can say with big actor.
Okay.
But again same thing, they want commitments and they want, they want relationship.
Okay.
So I told them also कि yes, I am desperate and I need work, but I need clean work.
Okay.
Of course I am desperate for my work, but for my desperation I can't do anything wrong. I
Okay.
can't do anything wrong, because if I will get work for this side, that if I'm doing commitment and then I will get work, then what's worth it? Nothing na.
Yeah.
Then this is not my talent. I got work from that wrong things also. So yeah.
Yeah, that's very good actually.
Hmm.
And you're very passionate about your work, not
Yeah,
off
very much.
screen. Whatever commitments
Mhm.
you're facing, you're coming across, you're rejected
Yeah, I
everything.
rejected everything.
So आप आपके मतलब सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हो आप
Yeah, I'm
कि
full.
आप प्रूव करना चाह रहे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में.
हाँ, मैं ये इवन मैं सबको यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर तुम there are 99 people in my contact, they are saying Aditi, don't try because you will not get opportunity rather than if you will not do commitments.
Okay.
I told them one day you will see and I will do definitely, चाहे वो लेट हो या बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो, इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन. बट मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया, नोटिस किया खुद में कि अगर आप करते हो, मेहनत करते हो, तो गॉड भी ऊपर से तुम्हारी हेल्प करता है.
Wow, wonderful.
सो कीप ट्राइंग.
You believe in yourself.
या आई बिलीव
That's
इन
it.
माई सेल्फ. या
No commitments and all.
Nothing.
You believe in yourself, definitely you'll get a success.
యా
Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
వార్ మూవీలో హీరో ఎవరు?
Okay, hero, well, they selected for Rakul Preet's brother.
ఓకే ఆర్ టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ రాకుల్ ప్రీత్ సింగ్
Yeah,
హీరోస్ బ్రదర్.
brother, yeah. So,
Okay.
abhi they finalized already, but still they are confused. So, they will let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, but shoot will start after 25th onwards.
ఓకే సో షూట్ లొకేషన్ అంతా హైదరాబాద్ లోనే జరగబోతుందా
हाँ.
లేకపోతే ఎక్కడ?
Hyderabad, then Visakhapatnam, and some back areas. I don't know the name, but almost here and Visakhapatnam.
ఓకే
Yeah, maybe some shoot will be in
ఎక్కడైనా
Goa.
బయట ఫారెన్ కంట్రీస్ లో అలా ఏమైనా ప్లాన్ చేశారా?
अभी नहीं, गोवा में था शायद.
ఓకే సో కమింగ్ టు యువర్ రియల్ లైఫ్, సో ఏదైనా మీ బ్యాడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కానీ లైఫ్లో జరిగిన లేకపోతే మెమరబుల్
Yes, there
Experience.
are experience, bad experience. There are so many. One is I was in 7th class at that time, and there was 13 to 14 boys, I can say. I'm sorry, I'm talking this thing in
No
front of
problem.
camera, but I was 12-year-old at that time when I was in 7th class.
ఓకే
So there are 12 to 13 people. तो हमारा स्कूल हुआ करता था, और स्कूल में ऊपर इंटरवल होता था, एंड देन हम टिफ़िन लेके जाते थे खाने के लिए.
ఓకే
तो वहाँ पे मैं एंड मेरी फ्रेंड थी एक, तो वहाँ पे लड़के आए 12-13 बॉयज़ एंड मेरे क्लासमेट,
Okay.
एंड 3-4 उसमें दूसरी क्लास के भी थे, बड़े क्लास के. देन they coming to me, they came to me, very came, and they asked me, they said please come in relationship. One guy, I remember his name, I will not take name, but
Okay.
I hate him, and he said वो इतना बिल्कुल पास आके कि I like you, and अगर तू हाँ नहीं बोलेगी तो भगा के लेके जाऊंगा, नहीं तो मार दूंगा, ये वो
What
सब.
was your age that time?
12-year-old.
12 years
Yeah.
old. मतलब
And-
12 years old, when you were 12 years old, you got a proposal.
Yeah, and proposal also, and so many dhamki, threaten also.
Oh.
So people, but I was dabang very.
इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की को
वो-
प्रपोज नहीं करेगा तो वो लड़का ही नहीं करेगा.
Yeah, but then मैं बहुत दबंग थी इस चीज़ में, because I know how to stand for myself. तो मैंने बहुत लोगों का स्कूल से रिस्ट्रिक्शन, मतलब उनका एडमिशन कटवा के उनको उनके सर्टिफिकेट पर रेड स्याही
Oh.
लगवा के आउट किया है, कम से कम 7. स्टिल आई
आपको डर नहीं लगता था कि मतलब मैं ऐसे बोलूंगी कहूंगी जाके ऑफिस में तो मैं हाईलाइट हो जाऊंगी या वरना?
नो, बिकॉज मेरे साथ साथ और भी बहुत लड़कियों के साथ ऐसा होता था. दे वॉज क्वाइट, दे सेड कि नो यार ये हो जाएगा, घर वाले सुनेंगे ऐसा. आई सेड वाई, क्यों चुप रहना है, तुम्हारे साथ गलत हो रहा है, स्टैंड लो अपने लिए. हम कब तक चुप रहेंगे?
ओके
और अगर शायद मैं चुप रहती तो मैं आज यहाँ नहीं होती, या मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती, शायद मेरी शादी होती और मेरे 4-5 बच्चे होते. बट आई ऑलवेज फाइट फॉर माई सेल्फ, ऑलवेज.
ओके तो अभी एज ऑफ नाउ यू हैव बॉयफ्रेंड?
डू यू बिलीव, मैंने अभी, आई मीन आई हैव डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑल्सो, FIR, no, FRI, FIR.
FIR.
Sorry, I was confused. There was a place in Uttarakhand, FRI.
Okay.
So there is very beautiful place, army area place. So I always confused about FIR and FRI. So FIR. In my documents file, I have still 13 to 14 FIR.
ओह
से मतलब बहुत
लड़कों के ऊपर
मैंने बहुत लोगों को मार
इतने सारे
करवाया है.
प्रपोजल्स आपको?
प्रपोजल कुछ तो पता नहीं, बेबुनियाद धमकी. वो कहते हैं ना एक डायलॉग कि अगर तुम्हारे पास सही सपोर्ट नहीं है तो सब तुम्हें बैक बेच करते हैं और बैक हिट करते हैं, तो एक रीज़न ये भी था. देन मैंने खुद का सपोर्ट खुद को बनाया एंड
Okay.
अभी आज टाइम है कि कोई तुम्हें मतलब कोई मुझे और मेरी फैमिली को पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर सकता. माई मॉम फेस्ड ऑल्सो सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम, सो मेनी, या
तो अभी भी प्रपोजल्स आ रहे हैं आपको?
अलॉट
तो
अलॉट.
आप क्या बोलते हो अभी? आप मतलब बचपन में तो आपने एफआईआर फाइल किया है,
हाँ.
तो अभी क्या करो? अभी तो वो चांस नहीं है.
इवन इन माई स्कूलिंग डेज आई कैन से आई लाइक समवन, बट वो लाइक ही था बस. एंड देन
लव तक नहीं है.
लव तक नहीं हुआ क्योंकि बिकॉज गांव में ऐसा कोई मिलना नहीं होता एंड शायद होता अगर मिलते तो,
Okay.
बट ऐसा कभी नहीं था. देन
सो अभी आप सिंगल हो?
अभी टोटली
तो कोई लड़के आके आपको ट्राई कर सकते हैं. इंटरव्यू के बाद तो बहुत सारे फैंस हो जाएंगे आपको.
हाँ ट्राई कर सकता है. गिव आंसर देम, वेरी स्वीट. नो बट अभी मैं पहले बहुत आई वॉज मतलब मैं मेरा एंगरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा था. अभी आई एम वेरी काम. इफ़ यू नो इट हैपेंड विद मी, मतलब 16 साल का लड़का भी प्रपोज्ड मी सम टाइम, या आई स्वेयर. एंड अभी रिसेंटली आई एम सॉरी बट 2-3 गर्ल्स ऑल्सो दे प्रपोज्ड मी. या सो देयर आर सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंस बट आई लर्न फ्रॉम देम एक्चुअली.
Okay.
आई नेवर.
आजकल एवरेज लड़कियों को ही बहुत सारे
बहुत
प्रपोजल.
सारे.
आप इतनी खूबसूरत है इसलिए आपको जितना भी प्रपोजल, यू हैव टू टेक इट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
Even in this 14th Feb,
Okay.
I got yeah.
1000 तक आया होगा आपको तो.
But no, there was a guy. So he was 21 year old.
Okay.
So he came to me and he gave me flower that I really like you and I like your smile and this and that. And I was like, okay, okay. And then I said, "Acha, how old you are?" He said 21. Okay. Then you know my age. He said, no matter. Love is blind. I said, okay.
That time you were in Uttarakhand.
Yeah, I was in Uttarakhand. I said, okay. So I said, what you do? कि अभी 12th करके I just started my engineering classes. I said, okay. तो मैंने बोला, what you will earn, मतलब what you are earning अभी right now, because मैंने कहा I need so many things, I need expensive thing, how you will get for me? They said, please wait for 3-4 years now, please. So I said, okay, I'll wait. He gave me then contact.
Okay.
And please do contact me. I said, okay.
You felt happy
Bye.
or
I was.
you were surprised because
Yeah, I was surprised and I actually enjoyed every moment.
Okay.
मतलब अभी I said ना कि I'm
क्योंकि
very calm.
आपसे छोटा, मतलब आपसे छोटा है ना वो लड़का, तो आपने एंजॉय किया है या यू वर शॉक्ड? और
मैंने actually enjoy किया. I enjoyed a lot at that moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you respond to his mobile?
No, of course not. Because he is 21 year old and if I will message him, I will start talking with him. उसका career खत्म, then वो फिर
Yeah,
उस चीज़
yeah.
में no, not at all.
So in real life आप मतलब like you behave like a rebel or you behave like a tomboy or you are very reserved?
Can say I'm very reserved for those people who don't know me and जिनको मैं नहीं जानती.
Okay.
But for them who knows me and जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, I am very open with them.
Okay.
And I'm very soft-hearted, very very much.
Okay.
But again, I'm very bad for those people who will back it to me.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So your expressions what you are giving, that shows that you are
Yeah,
reserved.
reserved.
But sometimes you need to behave like rebel and
Yeah,
tomboy also.
लड़की के साथ मतलब being a girl, मैं तो बस I would like to say this thing, being a girl, you know, you need I mean you need to learn everything and you have that much potential. At least you can turn out negative things into positive. So I have that talent, I can say I have that strong feeling. If someone is sitting in front of me and he is very negative person, I know I can convert him in positive.
Okay.
Yeah.
So keeping apart from this, I wanted to know who is your favorite hero in Tollywood.
In Tollywood.
Do you watch Telugu movies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like South industry, I told you.
You don't understand, right?
I don't understand, but जो हिंदी में आता है वो
जो
मैं देखती
क्या
Title.
बोलते हैं, टाइटल्स
हाँ, हाँ,
रहते हैं ना,
हाँ, वो
सब
देखते हैं,
टाइटल्स
हाँ.
वो देख
वो देखती. Yeah. My favorite is I think क्या नाम है उसका, राजकुमार.
फेवरेट हीरो.
Hero first तो प्रभास.
ओह वाह.
Yeah, I love him in that way, of course, and I really like him. His
Okay.
acting and he is brilliant. Yeah, he is
Okay.
brilliant. And the heroine is Anushka Shetty.
Anushka.
Yeah,
Anushka.
yeah,
Okay.
Anushka.
In Bollywood.
In Bollywood, there are so many. Akshay Kumar or अक्षय कुमार.
Okay.
हाँ.
So.
Not particular, I mean हर अलग अलग उसमें जैसे sexiest can say or smart में और cute, तो there are
Okay.
different types.
So whom do you believe most, like family members or friends? What you can say?
But I can say for me relationship is it's not made for only I can't say this thing that blood relationship is only you can trust only with blood relationship. I believe in कि दिल से जो रिश्ते बनते हैं वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं.
Wow, great say.
हाँ, तो अगर आप अच्छे हो तो पूरा दुनिया सही है तुम्हारे लिए. बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है आप अच्छे भी होते हो तो दुनिया तुम्हारे लिए खराब होती है. बट यू बी जस्ट इन योर वे.
ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక్కరే ఉంటున్నారా ఫ్రెండ్తో ఉంటున్నారా?
Here no, I have only 1-2 friend and they are not best, but yeah, sometime I talk with them.
नो अभी आप शिफ्ट होकर ओनली 6 days हो रहा है तो आप फ्रेंड के साथ रह रहे हो क्योंकि हैदराबाद आपको मतलब మీకు కొత్త కదా హైదరాబాద్ సో
अभी I'm living in PG can say that is hotel kind of. They are not providing food but they are providing separately room and washroom and kitchen. Yeah, but yeah,
because you are new to the Hyderabad, you don't know anything.
But I select one flat, 2 BHK flat, so I'm searching other.
Okay. So you don't have any friends over here to guide you something or
I have 1-2 friends. Only 1-2 friends.
They will guide
Yeah,
you
they will guide me and they guiding me.
So we are eagerly waiting to matlab your for your movie War.
Yeah.
So you said on March 25th it's going to be start.
Yeah. There are some other project also which is coming.
So apart from this, did you sign any other projects apart from War?
अभी इनका बात चल रही है. Maybe I think in my inner soul talking to me that Aditi, you will get 2-3 project in the same
After
time. You have to
this,
you have to
okay.
manage.
So how did your family, matlab your mom or sisters, how did they react when you got this movie opportunity? What was their reaction? Because this is the first movie that you have signed and you're doing as a lead, right?
Yeah.
In this movie. So what is their feeling?
They are very happy and they are waiting actually when shoot will start and please keep sending pictures and keep sending photos and yeah, they are excited. They are very much excited.
So I can think that they are excited because whatever you want in them that you are getting now, right?
Yeah.
So and
because in my family member also my Mausas or my mom's sisters and my mom's sisters, daughters, cousin sister and brothers, उनके जैसे मेरे मौसा जी लोग जो होते हैं मॉम साइड के, दे सेड कि अगर बनना है तो अदिति की तरह बनो. What she did, I made my house by my own. Last year I purchased one home in Uttarakhand. Wow. In the main city for my mom. I had 2 dreams. One is that I will buy home for my mom. Okay. That I already completed.
So you're fulfilling everything for your mom, right?
Everything.
So you're acting as an artist, you're acting as a son to your mom, and like a daughter, everything.
Yeah, everything. I gave her luxury life actually, I can say, and I am very happy. She is very important for me. I can leave anybody, anytime, any situation for her.
Okay. So why did you ever try in Bollywood?
आई एम ट्राइंग. रिसेंट जैसे मैंने अभी कहा आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड माई करियर. अभी 2 साल पहले ही स्टार्ट किया है. तो इतना अभी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, बट आई एम ट्राइंग फॉर दैट आल्सो. ओके. बिफोर कोरोना आई गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन रुपेश रॉय प्रोडक्शन हाउस एंड शूट हैपेंड 2020 अप्रैल में शूट होना था लंदन में, बट मार्च में कोरोना केम इन एवरीथिंग आई शट आउट.
ओके.
या
सो आपका स्किन टोन इतना खूबसूरत है ना, आप कुछ सीक्रेट्स, ब्यूटी सीक्रेट्स है तो शेयर कर लीजिए हमारे ऑडियंस से.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नो, माय स्किन इज वेरी ऑयली, यू नो. आई
इतना शाइनी.
I use only one baby cream, frankly I'm telling, one baby cream. I never use foundation. when I will use foundation now, people start talking me कितना makeup किया, कितना, अरे यार केवल foundation लगाया. So I never use foundation, I just use BB cream. Still I think आप
Come here, I just want to show my audience that you're did you apply anything?
no
చూసారా? ఏం apply చేయలేదండి.
there is nothing, there is only one cream, there is nothing. My skin is like this. Maybe you can say because of I am from Uttarakhand and you know वहाँ की purity and atmosphere.
तो यहाँ पर कुछ दिन के बाद अगर आपका कलर लूज हो जाएगा तो
नहीं होगा.
फिर वापस आप उत्तराखंड पैकअप हो जाएंगे.
नहीं, you know what happened with me, अगर मैं कहीं धूप में रहती हूँ तो मेरा बॉडी टोन मतलब काला हो जाता है, बट आफ्टर 1 month माई स्किन वो निकलता रहता है लाइक स्नेक.
स्किन अच्छा
हाँ
ओके.
वो तो वो फिर ब्लैक से और वाइट हो
Peel
जाता है.
हो जाएगा
Yeah.
ऊपर से.
हाँ ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ.
अगेन इट विल बिकम ब्लैक और
नो वाइट, मोर वाइट देन.
More white.
फॉर 1 month माई स्किन विल बी लाइक वाओ मिरर की तरह चमकना प्लास्टिक, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट नॉर्मल रूटीन पे जैसा होता है.
ओके ओके.
Yeah.
सो रूटीन कुछ डाइट्स या मेंटेन करते हो क्या, क्योंकि हम लोग का स्किन भी आपके जैसा.
जैसे होना डाइट का
Right.
तो मैं ज़्यादातर वेजेस ही ज़्यादा खाती हूँ, जूसेस
Okay.
ज़्यादा पीती हूँ, और फेस पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लगाती हूँ. रात को फेस पे मतलब फेस को खाली छोड़ दो, बिकॉज स्किन ऑल्सो नीड सम ऑक्सीजन. तो
ये सब नहीं, मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ, जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ सो दैट योर स्किन ग्रोज मोर.
okay, I'm very relaxed while talking with you. I'm very relaxed actually.
Oh my god, is this your first interview
Yeah, in Telugu.
in Telugu?
Yeah.
Before that you given your interview in
In
Punjab.
Punjab and Mumbai.
All right, thank you
Yeah.
so much for sharing your what views and your childhood memories.
Thank you so much.
everything. So I hope you'll get more opportunities in Telugu industry, and once again I'll come and take your interview after that, after this war movie, and all the best for your future, and something you wanted to share.
Yeah,
To
thank
my
you.
audience.
First of all, I really want to thankful to you. And
You know my name?
Monica.
Yeah, thank
Monica.
you.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I thought you'll forget.
No, I remember your name. Thanks a lot, and you gave me more confidence. Actually, मैं जब भी नए लोगों से मिलती हूँ और कॉन्फिडेंट होती हूँ, मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ pray for me. I want to work here, and I really need your blessings. And want to tell you one thing: girls' power is more important. More than men.
ప్లీజ్
actually.
సపోర్ట్ హర్. సో చూసారు కదండి, యాడీ అదితితో మనం చేసిన ఇంటర్వ్యూ, అండ్ తను చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కష్టాలు పడి ఫైనలీ ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీకి స్టెప్ ఇన్ అయ్యారు, అండ్ మన అందరి సపోర్ట్ తనకి ఇప్పుడు కావాలి. అండ్ తన కొత్త మూవీ రాబోతుంది వార్, March 25th నుంచి షూట్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వబోతుంది. సో ఆ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా మళ్ళీ నేను పిలుస్తాను, ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తాను. అంతలోపు తనని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు TVNXT. బాయ్.
For more updates, like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Hey darlings, గంటని click చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.